Have you ever wondered why some people are making money with AI while everyone else is just asking it funny questions? Think about it for a second. Right now, millions of people have access to the same free AI tools, but only a small percentage are actually using them to create new income streams. So, what's the difference? It's not because they are smarter, it's not because they have more money, and it's definitely not because they have some secret AI tool that nobody knows about. The real difference is that they know how to use AI to create value. And today I am going to tell you 5 unrestricted ways you can do exactly that. But before we jump in, I have one small favor to ask. If this video teaches you even one new idea that could help you make money in the future, hit the like button. It once take 1 second, but it helps this video reach more people, and it tells YouTube that you enjoy practical content like this. Alright, let's get started. First, I want to clear up one huge misunderstanding. Whenever people hear the words make money with AI, they immediately think it's another get rich quick scheme. It's not. AI just a tool. Just like a calculator does not make someone rich, and a camera does not automatically make someone a successful YouTuber. AI will not magically put money into your bank account. You still need to learn something. You still need to take action. But here's the good news. AI can help you work faster, learn faster, and create more value than ever before. And that's where the opportunity is. Let's jump into the first idea. Number 1. Create and sell digital products. Now don't click away because you think you need design skills. You don't. A few years ago, creating an ebook, planner, or template could take weeks. Today, free AI tools can help you finish your first draft in a single afternoon. For example, let's say you are good at budgeting. You could use ChatGPT to organize your ideas. Then use Canva AI to design a clean planner. Upload it to Etsy or Gumroad and price it at $10. Imagine getting just one sale per day. That's around $300 every month from one product. Of course, it will not happen overnight. You will need to improve your product, understand your audience, and stay consistent. But that's exactly how real online business grow. Now let's move on the number 2, freelancing with AI. This is honestly one of the fastest ways to start earning online because business always need help. They need blog posts, emails, product description, social media caption, website content, and customer support replies. AI helps you finish your work faster, but here's something very important. Never copy and paste AI answer. Always edit it, add your own personality, and make it sound natural. Clients are not paying for AI, they are paying for results. Let's say you charge $30 for writing an article. If you complete 5 projects, that's $150. As your experience grows, you can charge even more. Many skilled freelancers earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month simply because they solve problems for business. Now here's an idea that most beginners completely ignore. Building a content business. Listen carefully. This is not just about becoming a YouTuber. Content is everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, blogs, newsletters. Business need content every single day. AI can help you brainstorm ideas, write better scripts, improve title, create social media posts, and stay organized. But remember, people don't subscribe because you use AI. They subscribe because you provide value. Your personality, your experience, and your storytelling are what keep people coming back. AI simply helps you work faster behind the scenes. Now let's talk about idea number 4, using AI to learn valuable skills. This might actually be the smartest investment you can make. Years ago, learning a high income skill often meant spending thousands of dollars on course. Today, you can ask AI to explain almost anything. Did not understand something? Ask again. Still confused? Ask it to explain like you are a beginner. Need practice? Ask AI to create exercises. Want feedback? Ask AI to review your work. It's like having a teacher available 24 hours a day. Imagine learning copywriting, coding, graphic design, or digital marketing. Once you develop those skills, you can sell them to clients or use them to grow your own business. Skills create opportunities, and opportunities create your income. Finally, number 5, affiliate marketing. Don't let the name scare you. It's actually very simple. You recommend products or services that you genuinely believe are useful. If someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. For example, maybe you review AI tools, software, books, or productivity apps. If one commission is $20, then 5 sales earn you $100 and 50 sales earn you $1,000. Again, this is not instant money. You need trust, an audience, and helpful content. That's exactly why affiliate marketing works so well for creators who focus on helping people instead of just selling. Now, you might be asking, which free AI tools should I start with? Honestly, you don't need dozens of tools. Start simple. ChatGPT is amazing for writing, brainstorming, and learning. Google Gemini is great for research. Canva AI makes designing much easier. Microsoft Copilot is useful for productivity. Perplexity AI is excellent for finding relief information quickly. That's more than enough to get started. Here's the biggest mistake I see. People spend hours watching videos about AI, reading articles about AI, and talking about AI, but they never actually use it. Knowledge without action changes nothing. Even if you learn one useful idea today, go try it. Create something, offer a service, learn a skill, take the first step, because your first $10 online is usually the hardest. After that, your confidence starts growing, your skills improve, and your income grows one small step at a time. So let's quickly recap today's video. You can create digital products, you can start freelancing, you can build a content business, you can learn valuable skills with AI, and you can grow an affiliate marketing business. None of these ideas will make you rich overnight, but every one of them has helped real people create extra income because they stayed consistent and kept learning. And maybe that's the biggest lesson of this entire video. The people making money with AI are not lucky. They are simply taking action while everyone else is still waiting for the perfect moment. So don't wait. Start today. Even if your first project is not perfect, even if nobody noticed at first, every successful creator, freelancer, and entrepreneur started as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification because I posted videos every week about AI, online income, and practical ways to build wealth. And before you leave, tell me in the comments which of these 5 ideas are you going to try first. I'd genuinely love to know. Thanks so much for watching this video. Take care and I will see you in the next video.